Welcome back with another video, and today I'll be installing a wig. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss a single video. This is the wig. I made this wig. It's a 2x6 closure. I bleached the knots. As you can see, it's giving a scalp. The bundles are from Amazon and the closure is from Temu. See how natural that looks. And then this wig cap, I got it from AliExpress.
What I'm about to do is start pushing all the hair going back so I can start working on this lace. This is a 2x6 closure, super beginner friendly. I am cutting the sides of the closure so when you want to lay it down, it will lay down flat. Just in case you want to use a spray adhesive or glue, but I'm wearing mine's glueless because it is beginner friendly. Take my wax stick and slick all the hair going to the back, and this is a 2x6, so I'm gonna start dragging the wax stick throughout the part so this whole tire part will be flat. Cut straight down the middle, and then I'm gonna take my eyebrow razor and then cut this lace off going straight across. It will still look natural because you're using an eyebrow razor. Well, because it's cream foundation level 12, and then I'm gonna put it onto the lace. This is 2x6, but you still need to add makeup on the lace so it can give natural and give skin. And then take my hot comb and slick all of this hair. When you're hot comb it super slow, because if you don't hot comb it slow, you're rushing the process of getting it flat, and you don't want to do that. When you hot comb it slow, it gets everything sleek.
It's not that I want you here. It's not the way you say it to my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear.
This hair is very full. I am detangling this hair with my fingers first, and then I'm going to go ahead with my unbrush and start detangling from the bottom and going up. And this hair does get full very fast. I used 3 bundles from Amazon, and the closure is from Temu.
I wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you, I want you around.
Now that everything is brushed out very nicely, it is definitely time to hot comb this hair some more. And as you can see, it's way more easier and getting flat and sleek looking. That's how you want it to look. You do not want your wigs too humpy at all. It is time to wet this hair, so I am going to take a spray bottle with water and just spray this hair, and then take my unbrush and detangle his hair. That is very simple.
Now you're the one thinking of my highest from my pocket now. Fuck gravity, I'd rather stay up here. You get away, I'm trees, beach views and everything. All I wanna do is in the pictures on replay. The one next to you, you. Try not to show, now I feel like you. You wish you would, but we don't really want.